Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. Today we celebrate a huge milestone, 100 million views across all of our videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much to everyone that has trusted us with appliance advice over the last 14 years. It's been quite the journey since we started this channel in 2008, so let's take a little trip down memory lane together.
Back in 2008, we released our very first video on this channel, teaching our viewers how to replace the light bulb on an AEG refrigerator. In the year that followed, we released a total of 58 videos. A great start, but still just the beginning of all that was yet to come. Since then, we've hit quite a few milestones. In 2010, our channel reached a total of 1 million views. And in 2013, we reached a whopping 10 million views overall. By the time 2016 rolled around, we'd accumulated a total viewing time of 1 million hours across all our video content. Then, in 2020, we were delighted to see the eSpares channel hit 100,000 subscribers. That's a lot of people seeking appliance care advice. And that brings us to today. We finally reached our most impressive milestone yet, achieving a monumental total of 100 million views, with just shy of 800 videos created for our channel over the last 13 years. We're delighted to see this figure, and we look forward to providing you all with much more appliance advice and repair guides in the years ahead. To give you a little perspective on just how large a figure 100 million actually is, if we walked a mile for every view we have had, we'd have circled the Earth 4,000 times by now. Likewise, we would have been able to walk to the moon and back 200 times. So, I guess you could say this figure is out of this world. Here at eSpares, we're proud to be able to deliver a wide range of content, whatever help or advice you might need with your appliances, from showing you how to diagnose faults and specific error codes, to appliance repair guides and maintenance advice, and even new product demos. It's our goal to make home and appliance care as easy and hassle-free as possible for all our viewers, with information and guidance on washing machines, tumble dryers, dishwashers, ovens, fridge freezers, vacuum cleaners, pressure washers, lawnmowers, grass trimmers, and more. We have and always will strive to help you make the most out of everything in your household. Remember, repair, don't replace, is our message after all. Some of these videos have proved especially helpful, showing that many of us often have the same concerns and queries about our appliances.
So thank you once again, each and every one of you. It's been a great 14 years, and we're going stronger than ever thanks to all your trust in eSpares. Here's to the next 14 years and everything that the future has in store. While you're here, remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, to stay in the loop with all things related to appliance care, eSpares and beyond. And of course, it goes without saying, thanks for watching.